Think a 1.5-ton load is too heavy for a compact forklift? Think again. Meet the CPDA 1530, the three-wheel electric beast designed for tight spaces. Don't let the size fool you. It handles 1,500 kilograms like it's nothing. Stuck in narrow aisles, look at that turning radius, only 1,425 millimeters. While others are struggling to turn, you're already done loading. Need height? We got you. Standard 3-meter lift height. And check this out, full free lift means you can operate even under low ceilings. Powered by a robust 24 volts, 300 Ah battery, no noise, no emissions. Just plug it in overnight, and you're ready to dominate the warehouse. Strict QC before every shipment. Powered by a 24 volts, 300 Ah battery, safe for food and pharma industries. This is DFLIFT, precision engineering from our factory to your warehouse. Want the full specs? Hit the link below or contact me directly. Let's get your warehouse moving.